Okay. Yeah. So today for this one, I'm collabing with like my bestie. So I'm gonna use my mic. So the other ones I'm not gonna use my mic. But when I collab with my bestie, I'm gonna use my mic because that's just like that's just
How would you know they're collabing?
yeah. Anyway.
But the theme is picnic.
Yeah.
I'm using a secret code dress.
So.
I'm quickly gonna do a code, guys, because why not?
Okay. I'm gonna do like. That. Something there.
Mine's too classic, you know?
Yeah. Okay.
Mine I just do, guys, is too classic. Like, you don't really want too classic, do you?
Yeah, but you assume.
I'm kind of going white kind of thing.
Okay. I'm doing like red and white.
Making it awesome.
I think I'm gonna do this face card. Yeah, that face card eats every time.
Guys, do you want to talk about part 4?
Huh?
We'll do part 4, guys.
Yeah, part 4. Still not top model yet, but I'm getting there. I'm gonna have to edit this afterwards. Oh, I don't. Or I just skip the editing like I done for the last 2 videos.
She'll say. Really bestie.
Yeah. Editing does not get me more. Sophie, you don't need to interrupt this. I'm trying to make it. Sorry about that. This is one of the 2 reasons I don't use my mic, because my sister talks. Secondly, I don't want to get copyrighted for my sister watching on the TV. Thirdly, if I have my mic off, I can listen to music while I'm doing this.
That's fine.
No, not like.
Guys,
Yeah. Like, I need to realize. Like, I need. Okay.
Yeah, we don't really want to get copyrighted.
I know.
If we did, that would be very annoying.
But like AI's doing it. So my videos have been getting a symbol saying potential earning limitation. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. AI is like.
We might do it for some rounds, like Christy.
Yeah. Like when I do this type of stuff, I usually do multiple rounds because Huh? I'm using my mic and you're talking in my video. This is why I don't really use my mic that often. I was using it. Be right back.
I'll be talking to no one for a bit, guys, so sorry about that. Just wanted to say, these sort of her is really good. Like, I've known her amazing. You know, so please can you sub to her and I'll sub you back. If you send it in the comments, I will sub.
My comments, it is after everything I try, it's not letting me turn on my comments. I think I don't know what, but it's not letting me turn on my comments. I don't.
Turn on the comments again. We'll see.
We'll see if we can try to turn on the comments. I don't know. It's just not letting me. Even though I'm trying.
Subscribe to back, please. And we will see it. And because we do check the comments, even if it's an old video.
Yep.
So if you comment your username, we will stop you. We will maybe do a collab with you, and we'll also do stop you if you haven't. Right, let's do.
Yeah, but also, after everything I try again, it's just not letting me turn on my comments. I don't know why. So, comments are like disabled.
Because not teaming, we're just helping each other.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna give us honest ratings as well.
Yeah. So it's fair.
Free, I like it, but
Yeah.
any bit under me.
I like it. I like the outfit. I like everything, but that hair.
I gave it a 3.
Same. I don't really like that hair.
This is basically a copy. Look, I'm giving this one 2.
Yeah.
I like it, but it's like too much for a thing.
It's just like I really don't like that dress.
Like I don't like how big it is, but I love the pattern. That pattern's nice, but I don't like the big one. And I don't like this one either.
No, I actually like this one. 4 star. Yeah, but I like the dress.
Let's give it a 3.
Yeah, 3. I like the dress. I really like the dress. Look.
We're gonna be doing the same thing, aren't we, bestie?
Yeah. The dress.
I'm sorry, I hate this one.
Ugh, I'm sorry. That's just.
The boy is good, but not the girl.
They're both equally as.
Let's give it 1.
Yeah.
Bestie, sorry. The boy is better than the girl.
Yeah.
I love this one.
I'm not a big fan of it. Like, something about that hair is just a no for me.
I'm gonna get a 2, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. The hair is really off-putting. It's just...
I love the actual outfit of the hair now.
Nah, that one hair, no. That one hair will not do you. If you're going to use that hair, layer it. Look at a YouTube tutorial and make it look good. 5 stars. There. 5 stars. Like, if you're going to use that hair, use a YouTube tutorial to layer it. Yeah? Yeah, I did. 5 stars. Wait, this one's actually good. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, I actually think you give it 4.
Yeah, 4. This is actually good. Like, I actually like it a lot. Like, the hair eats. Yeah. The hair... I don't know where she gone. But... This one is just... No. I'm gonna see... Okay, I'm texting her right now. Here's me, of course. Okay, where have you gone?
Hey guys, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to. I tell you what, this is my screen times run out, so now I have to do it on my computer.
Did you vote me? Yeah. Let's just pretend.
I just did it before I turned off Roblox. How did you get back here?
Not Belgium. Cool place.
What? That's close.
Yeah, sure.
You happy about my bestie?
Yeah, I am.
Nice. Have you ever? Me?
Yeah. Nope.
Right?
Yeah. Yep. The face card. Yeah. 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 You did?
Let me try it though first. Guys, I'll be joining back very shortly. Aren't I, bestie?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. I know that the video's kind of awkward.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone's videos get awkward at some point.
This is.
Some great guys. Comment down below your favourite creators that aren't us.
Once again, I don't know if the comments are working.
Well, if you on our own video, on your video, tell us
No, I think for all the videos the comments have been disabled. I don't know why. It's not limited.
Okay. On our own video, make sure to comment.
No, that's not possible. All the comments have been disabled.
In our own videos.
Yeah. I don't know how to fix it though. Like I don't know how to fix it though.
So before I have to close Roblox.
Bruh.
Seriously.
Bruh.
When I'm making a video, obviously it's gonna do it with me. Right, Betsy?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I'll join you guys next time. What's the thing for you guys,
Thrifted. I don't really like it though.
What's the thing?
The thrifted. I don't really like it though.
Just get those ripped jeans, get stuff.
Okay.
Make stuff look cool, basically.
Can I show something?
I mean, that's how I normally do it. But guys, I'll show you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Huh? What did you say? You just what? I don't know what you said.
What did we say? On label. Not on label, on the laptop.
Okay.
You know? I'm not completely used to it. I've only been doing it for a week or so I'm not great. So if I line it up, is very bad. So I actually missed to fix something. But did you everything manually? Yes, and so how you turn? You can only turn on capture if you're moving. Isn't that annoying, guys?
Yeah. Nice pretty. That does seem pretty in a nutshell. Yeah.
If you need more, the same with the quiet.
Can we they're talking.
Guys, it's okay. Just ignore the background.
Yeah, this is why I don't really use my mic, because then it kind of ruins the video, because so many people are talking.
And she can shout.
Because my sister is talking about random stuff.
Pan.
And she's talking to me. And she just like, hey, She is.
I'm vicious.
No.
She's not vicious.
Oh no, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. She's gonna kill me. If you were wondering, I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah, unfortunately you're being sarcastic.
I'm on your seat.
Bro, what the hell?
I'm on your head.
She's putting her feet on my head. She's putting her stinky, cheesy, greasy feet on my head.
Now your head is
So if you
cheese.
go away, I'll give you a gummy bear.
No.
What about a gift card?
No.
Well, we'll give you a Roblox gift card.
No.
I'm telling you, when I swear on my life, yeah? On my
Huh?
life, I will come to your house. Next time I'm at my house, I'll bring you a gift card.
No.
Okay?
Don't mind this. Don't mind this.
ASMR.
This is a crashing my head with your feet, with your cheesy, greasy, ugly feet is not ASMR, Sophie. I'm putting your fingers on my hair is not ASMR.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Guys,
This isn't. Hit my head isn't ASMR. Comedy. Hit my head isn't ASMR, Sophie.
You funny
Guys,
dear.
sorry about this.
Yeah.
Sophie,
What?
how about you go get your iPad and go play Roblox with us?
And she is.
Oh.
This is another reason I don't turn on my mic because I don't want my fans to suffer from my sister being like super high pitched and screaming in a high pitch. See what I mean? Okay. Honestly, I kind of like it.
Is she in the room?
No, she's not in the room.
Let's have a break.
Huh?
We can hit a feed, so those are literal guys shoes.
Yeah. She is in the room, man. And she's being super high pitched.
How?
No.
Very weird.
No, Sophie, stop being weird. This is another reason I don't turn on my mic because my sister acts like a boy and starts being all weird. And she just cringes me out, and I don't want her to cringe out my viewers too.
I'm your brother.
You're not my brother. You're my sister. I'm sorry. She is the most cringe thing I've ever had. On the scale of annoyingness, she is 10 out of 10 annoying. And she just won't make. I'm sorry, guys. Mom.
Stop.
Tell Sophie to stop squeaking in high pitched while I'm making a video with my mic on. Comedy! Stop, Sophie! Can I just keep my mouth shut? Can I just keep my mouth? 5. I'm sorry. I'm just so annoyed with my sister right now. She's so annoying. She's just annoying. She's so annoying. Why can't I just tape her mouth shut? Yay! Woohoo! I'm still. Yay.
Hey guys, what do you think of my outfit?
Guys, be right back. I'm gonna close the door so.
I will chat in the meantime with you.
No. Guys, tell her to stop.
Guys, tell her to stop. And by
Sophie,
tell her to
stop.
stop by giving a ride,
Guys.
please. Because we are starting from the drive in a minute.
No. Even she's hurting my eardrums. Even she's kidding my eardrums.
And I have mine on as well.
No, I'm sorry if she's screaming out your eardrums and if she's making you deaf.
I've had this thing before and I know what I'm doing.
Sophie, stop.
Right,
Me-
Bestie,
Yeah?
do a mythology.
Mythology, legendary tales,
Do you
and
know what it is or not?
no.
So basically, you know what the Loch Ness monster, like Medusa? Or
Yes. Yes.
Loch Ness monster.
Yes, and no at the same time.
So basically, something that isn't made up. Like, I was inspired by tales in this. So, like, example, you could do a unicorn. Because that's
Okay, I'll do a unicorn.
Do a Pegasus though.
Why?
Because that makes more sense.
Okay, but what do Pegasus look like?
Basically a unicorn but with wings.
Okay. Can we tell her to stop? Okay, this her eats. Okay, guys, just ignore that.
Give me a rate in the comments because I really am working hard on mine today.
Okay, so basically a unicorn with unicorn horn, but with
Let's see, why do you make your hair black for a unicorn?
what?
Is it an emo unicorn?
Yeah.
Let's see, that makes no sense. There's no such thing as an emo unicorn.
There is.
Oh really? Search it up then. Is there any stories about
This is a neon unicorn.
about any emo unicorn?
It's not emo. It's just black. It just makes it pop out. It
I don't know.
just.
Sorry for annoying your girl. I had this dream yesterday.
But,
You tell I know what I'm doing now, right?
yeah. I'm just annoyed at this point. I just want to make a video in peace without this
Yeah,
girl.
there's not even be a draft one, to be honest. It's not even safe to draft and not use it. You never know, right, bestie?
Yeah. And we might
You don't even know if we're going to use it properly or not.
Yeah, because she's literally been so loud and annoying, and she might make people deaf.
She's trying to be nice though.
Yeah. She's,
It's just because she's also little.
yeah. She's little, but she's also, like, at the same time, she's, like, so loud.
Yeah.
Proving when she enters the room. Speak of the death. Speak of that mini death. Yeah, what? What do you want now, Sophie?
Do you apologise?
You've annoyed me enough.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
And you're just gonna
Hello.
say hello? Like you've done nothing?
Okay, how are you?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Are you just gonna say hello like you've done nothing wrong?
Hello. 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 Mia doing the hello. 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 Hello dance. Hello dance. Hello. Hello. Hello dance.
Yes, Sophie, come on, be a good girl.
Come and hug you, girl.
Guys, she does not know what being a good girl is.
Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Then, okay, I really need to step up my game with the outfit because I haven't even started it.
Guys, sorry about the noise.
Yeah, sorry.
We will put a warning on the video.
Yep.
Won't we, Bestie?
Yeah, because she's so loud. And we will also do like warning. Sophie's
We'll do a
high.
warning at the start as well.
Yeah, warning. Sophie's high pitched. And if you don't wanna kill your eardrums, then don't walk.
Yeah, if you have a disorder when you have trouble listening to noise, then don't listen.
Yeah, she's super loud. And I don't want my fans going deaf. Do I?
You don't want them to watch anything.
Yeah.
Anything else should watching stuff.
Yeah. And me just replying, yeah.
Sorry about this, guys. Today's been a bit chaotic.
Yep. She is chaos. Sophie, I'm having a private conversation with my fans in my bed. You're not allowed to listen in.
Yeah, be a good girl. Come on, Sophie, be a good girl.
She's getting mad being called a good girl.
Be a good girl.
Sophie, you don't hit my phone.
Bestie!
Yes.
I actually misclicked and then I took off everything.
What?
I took off my axe.
Go. How? How do you mess up that back? Can Sophie just stop listening in to our conversation?
Guys, she needs to calm.
Like,
Guys, what is this avatar? I don't like it.
yeah.
Hello.
One.
Why have you been tape on my leg?
To shave your hair.
What's that?
Sophie, be a good girl. Come on.
It's so weird.
Be a good
Guys.
girl and go into your room, please.
Sophie! My phone! You're not allowed to touch my phone! My bestie is a book!
You can better than me.
I said yeah.
I've only been around since the Christmas update this year, so
I'm
only a runway queen. And this is me. I am Zeus.
so bestie. Sophie is being so annoying. You can't just keep on listening into our Oh. When did that happen?
Bestie, did you give me 5?
Yeah, I did. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's my friend, guys.
Oh, is that
So shout out to my friend. Shout out to my connection, right, Bestie?
Yeah.
It's my Roblox friend. Shout out to her. And that was also fire. Guys, I don't even know what this one is. Oh, it's a light.
Oh,
I'm giving that a 3. I kind of like it.
I don't really like it because where's your hair?
Yeah. She's wearing a helmet. How are you meant to have your hair? Oh.
I don't know. Did you cut all your hair before putting on a helmet or something?
It was stick out the back.
I don't know. Cut a build the back and stick out your hair to look fashionable. Don't question how you're gonna cut out the back of a metal helmet. I don't know. I've never done that in my whole entire life. Because that's not possible. Scratch the idea. At this rate, I'm gonna name the video with the normal title with in brackets chaos
Guys,
and
look at this one.
within brackets. Oh my god! Within brackets, chaos and comedy. Because
We will also say with Bestie and stuff.
yeah. It's going to be longer title because
Yeah.
this is a bit different. With the mic, it...
I'm first, Bestie, look at you!
Yeah, I'm first. See, people get my... See, people like the black hair. See, people like the...
First.
Yay! Bestie, see, people like the black hair.
I don't know. My opinion, I don't really like it. The hair.
How dare you
No,
say
I
that?
like the hair, but not the colour. Like the colour didn't really like match, you know.
It does. It gives it, like, it makes it pop out.
I know, it's just Princess normally has like yellow, like white fur, and then it was. You could have made a devil unicorn.
Yeah? I don't
You
care.
could have made a devil unicorn instead of a normal one.
That does not exist. Just like you said, an emo unicorn doesn't exist. Just like you said.
Mythology about it. I'm gonna go to the cat cafe.
Nope, it does not exist.
I stole the cat. I stole the cat.
What?
I stole
Detective.
the cat.
This round's theme is detective.
I'm fine. I love it. I'm gonna be a detective because that's the thing.
Yeah.
Except I'm gonna keep my hair. Exactly the same. Wait, who doesn't do that?
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna do a bit different. I'm gonna use the spun but in a different color.
Guys, I'm on the series to Fashion Diva
So,
because I'm runway queen right now, and I am 2,000 stars away from runway queen.
okay.
And you know, I'm from the trendsetter, and I need my trendsetter skirt.
Yep.
Don't I?
Yeah.
Like, who doesn't want it?
Yeah.
Like, everyone wants it.
Don't they?
Guys, I make myself show
I
up
mean,
clothes.
I want that top model robe. Just saying, I want it.
Guys, I make myself guys, Bestie.
Yes.
I don't need to do so much chucking on a random pattern.
Why just chucking on a random pattern?
I mean, look how cute this looks.
I don't know, it's cute.
Ah! I'm gonna find you.
No, you're not.
Bestie, if you come here, I'll give you a hug. Bestie, if you come to me, I'll give you a hug.
Never think about that. I'm too busy.
I'll give you a Dorito.
Nah, I've never tried it before.
I'll give you a nugget.
Nah, I don't like nugget.
I'll give you a McDonald's.
Nah.
I'll get you Robux.
Okay.
I'll give you Robux to subscribers.
Okay. My
Gonna
subscribers.
be a good dog?
Yes.
Bestie. Look. They're kind of slaves, look.
Yeah.
But it doesn't fit the theme.
Where did you get that hat?
Oh, it's in VIP. By the coat.
I'm just.
Behind it.
Yep. I'm gonna use it to make it look like it
Oh,
fits.
how dare you! Bad girl.
And you're still gonna give Robux to my fans because they deserve it.
You know what I do? If you ever join us in the collab, we'll also give you game passes if you don't have them.
Yep.
Any game pass you want.
Yep. But
Give.
but most of the occasions I want to have Robux.
Because she spends it on herself because she's greedy.
No, I don't.
I'm joking, guys. I don't hate my bestie. Just I did that as a joke, okay?
I am okay.
Be a good girl. I'll give you 500 Robux to your friends.
Okay.
I'll give you a Robux gift card for your
Okay.
friendos.
Okay.
Maybe not your sister though.
She is being.
Maybe she's being a good girl, then maybe. If she becomes good and interrupts the next 2 episodes, then maybe I'll consider it. You know?
Yeah, sure. I'm making the best detective outfit ever.
Go see, I'm wearing glasses.
I'm wearing the best glasses in the whole entire game.
No, in real life, you silly.
Huh?
In real life, you silly. Guys, she's being silly. Because if I ever use computers, I have to use it. Just follow me. And guys, I look very weird. Everyone's gonna have to look weird at some point.
Yeah, so. I don't know.
Guys, is there any such thing as a magnifying glass in this game?
What?
Where's the magnifying glass?
Do I have it?
Oh, I know what I need. I need a briefcase.
Wait, where can you find that?
I'm not telling you, you're gonna steal it again.
No, please.
Okay, fine. It's in VIP by the shopping bags. It's better than taking this nail stand.
No.
These nails. Perfecto.
Moo ha 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 ha. You're so silly, I stole it. This.
Okay, one more round. Guys, my game's stuck. Guys, I'm stuck facing up.
Bruh.
Don't know how to move it down.
Okay, this is my own props idea. I'm using my own props idea this time. I'm not telling you just in case you steal it, because I've been stealing your props ideas.
Guys, my game's stuck. I'm sure it'll fix up later.
Yeah.
I can't see my bestie. I can't see you. Where are you?
All you should know is that I stole your briefcase.
Hey! Don't steal my private information. Bestie, help! I can only look up.
She's now using the microphone, guys.
I can only look up.
Guys, watch out! Sophie has a microphone. She's gonna start horrendously singing. Cover your ears.
Scream so she won't do it.
Sophie, no! No.
So, come on.
No. See, I stole.
Bestie, come on. Close the door then.
Oh, you're so silly. I stole your ideas.
Close the door.
She's in the same room.
Let's throw something out.
Mommy, Sophie's being so loud that in the title I have to make it longer. Warning people. Yeah, 5 stars. Warning people. Since Sophie's being so loud, people with like disorders that can't hear like really loud things, I gotta warn them. Yeah, I would.
Did you make me cry?
Yeah, I did.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Don't copy me.
You do?
Actually, no, mine. I love hers. I'm giving it a 5.
Yeah, I like this, but
And plus it's my friend, so
okay.
I kind of have to. And also, she says she's subbed to you.
Okay, 5 stars if she's.
No, I don't know her. No, I'm not the friend. My bad.
You.
Oh, yeah, it was nice anyway.
Well, choose your friend.
I don't like this one.
Same.
Weird.
Yup.
That was a dog.
I'm stealing your ideas and I'm gonna become first place. Guys, she has the microphone. Oh no! Cover your ears! She's in the same room! Sophie, get out. Can you tell this? Can you tell this girl to be quiet and put on some Is Sophie gonna put on some undies? Why? No, I'm collabing with my bestie. I'm collabing, Mom. Mom, I can't. I'm collabing. I can't. I'm collabing. Sophie, can you stop? I'm sorry. Everyone's talking and ruining the video.
There's more like music to that.
Yeah.
We'll listen to it ourselves and see what it sounds like. Right, bestie?
Yeah. Otherwise, we have to
edit it and remove the sound.
But I don't want to edit.
There's loads of people on our server.
Huh?
There's loads of people on our server.
Yeah.
Listening.
I am so mad. Sophie is ruining the video.
Guys, I really like this one.
Yeah.
I'm giving it a 3. I'll give it 3, I guess.
I'm giving you 2. I don't really like it.
Let's see where we got on the runway this time. We're gonna do one more round. We might do 3 more rounds after this, or we'll see. Oh, these are friends on there.
You got 9th place and I got 5th.
I got last, second. I got let's see, I've got 9.
Yeah.
I got 15 stars though.
Yeah. There's a lot of people on the server, so a lot of possibilities for stars.
These guys are very kind.
Yeah. Oh my god! Sophie's gonna ruin this bit. You are! You're squeaking high pitch! Do you not care about people with disorders? Do you not care if there's anyone that has disorders watching these videos?
They're gonna have a seizure.
Yeah.
We don't want any of you to have a seizure.
Hmm.
You could die from it.
Yeah. Otherwise,
You want them to die.
Otherwise, we might have to delete this video and redo it, and or do a warning if she stops. If she stops.
Guys, if it's 2, we're gonna check the video ourselves.
Yeah.
And if it's 2 down, then we'll stop. We won't do
As
it. Like,
people ourselves who don't like loud noises either. So as people who don't like loud, as we two don't like loud noises either, we're gonna see if it's good. We're gonna test out and see if she's not being
I'm
too
not
loud.
talking to you guys.
Yeah, because I don't want because one of you, because I don't.
You guys mean everything to us.
Yeah, I don't want to lose my friends. I love them.
Guys, I'm gonna ask her such a hard question.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get copyrighted.
My bestie.
Yeah, Sophie's watching TV. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Just great.
Bestie, you won't get copyrighted.
Yeah, I usually get copyrighted though.
Have you ever gotten copyrighted?
Yep.
Why?
Because music and videos in the background from Sophie.
Sophie, bad girl.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what to do.
But have you ever asked her very, 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 very nice, in a really kind way?
Huh?
Have you ever asked her in a really kind way?
In a really, really kind way.
Like extremely kind way, like to stop. And she might listen.
Yeah, she's just kind of annoying. Sometimes. Not all the times, but sometimes. as we to ourselves, me and my bestie, we don't like loud noises.
We always have to die.
Yeah, we don't really like it. But then, on the other hand, I have a sister who's gonna make them, so he's gonna be high pitched sometimes, and I have to deal with it every single day. It's just I have to deal with it. Yeah, I know it's annoying, but I have to deal with it.
Well, I'm an only child.
I don't really know what to do.
That's just gonna be my last round today.
Yeah, same. I don't know what
I
to.
don't need to go to bed. I don't need to go to bed because I want some time with my family.
So I don't know what to do. So I might not get a super high place because I don't know what to do. We might not upload this if it's too loud.
We might put it on for like a minute or so, so make sure you subscribe next and it'll be very special for you to remember.
Yeah.
You know, bestie?
Yeah. I give up. This outfit is gonna. I give up. Bro.
We're gonna try, bestie, come on, you have to try.
Oh, it looks so bad.
Make yourself look old. That's what I'm doing. Bestie, look at me, I'm old.
Grunge and Demon.
Where are you?
But it says Grunge and Demon, so.
Oh, look how old I am.
Bruh.
I'm your great-grandma.
Yeah, I'm your great grandma. It's crazy.
Your great-grandma Cheryl.
I don't know anyone named Cheryl.
I am your lady Cheryl.
No.
Would you like a hug, baby?
No.
You're not having any cookies.
No.
There, take that back.
No.
That's it. I'm telling your mother about this.
No. You don't even know her, so no.
Stop.
That's what you get for saying.
Guys, go into the bag. Go to the bag section and stop.
How?
Help.
How?
Save me.
How am I supposed to save you?
Well, can you come and see it, Lee?
How am I
Come
supposed to
to the
save
bag.
Let me think about it.
Help me. Bestie.
Yeah?
I can see you. Can you come and save me?
Let me think about it.
Bestie, if you don't, I'll give you another. I'll give you a PC drawing again.
Yeah. I made my gingerbread man pink, but I don't care. Where are you?
I'm in the bag.
No? Oh, I see you. Hi.
I'm stuck.
Be right back. I'm gonna get some food. She put duct tape on the thing. I'm gonna have to get. Guys, if I'm not voting, it's because I am getting food.
What's your vote, boy? Bestie, quick! Bestie! Bestie!
I got past the duct tape.
Sorry, what's your vote?
5 stars. Yeah. A 5. 5. Yeah. Huh? It's whatever, Sophie's watching TV. She's gonna get copyrighted. By the way, if you're wondering, right now she's watching Yay, what's it called? Yay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. But since she's watching Zoe in the background, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Yep.